Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Another video for you today. I'm getting quite regular at this now. Today's video was all about FBA, as you can see on the screen in front of you. In particular, on a Thursday we send out our weekly FBA growth opportunities report, which is this, what you see in front of you now. And this is essentially data that we download from Amazon every single week and we make public available to our resellers, which helps them make better decisions about the best products to enroll into Amazon FBA. If you're here and you don't know what FBA is fulfillment by Amazon. It's a solution provided by Amazon whereby they warehouse and store the stock that we ship to them, and they fulfill and dispatch orders directly to customers on our behalf. Now, in this video, I'm going to run through this week's report with you and show you how you can use the report to just instantly see the best-selling products on Amazon that we sell, and how you can use this report to either start selling these products on Amazon yourself, or you can use this report to find other products or variants of that you can also enroll into one of our FBA enrollment programs. Now, once I've been through the report, I will then share with you two ways in which you can sell our products via Amazon FBA, and you can do this with or without an Amazon seller account. Now, right, let's get started in today's video, and I will start the video off with just showing you a little bit about our FBA growth opportunities report, what it is, and how you can actually get access to this report on a weekly basis. Now, the current report is for week 16. Like I said, we send one of these reports out every week. This is actual data downloaded from our Amazon account every single week. And so let me just get straight into it. Right, as you can see, this is week 16 report. If you want access to this report, we send out a weekly email that gives you a link directly to this report. There are two ways in which you can get access. The first way is to head to our website, and if you scroll down to the bottom, not to the bottom, here, join our seller community. If you just pop your email in there, it'll take you over to Slack. You can sign up for Slack, which is free. Access to our seller community is free, and if you have access there, you'll be notified every single week as soon as we've updated the report with the new data. The other way you can get access to the report is via a retailer app, which again is public. Anyone can access this. You don't even need an account with us to use the app. If you scroll to the bottom of our website, you'll see a little link here that says retailer app, and that gives you access to this, which is our retailer app, which works on both a desktop, laptop, or a mobile device as well. And it gives you access to all of the tools and resources and services that we offer, including the FBA growth opportunities report link here, which you can see here. You can access through the app at any time. Right, so let's get back to the actual report. Now, the report is a list of about roughly about 100 or so recommended enrollment opportunities for fulfillment by Amazon. So these are the best-selling products currently being sold on Amazon. These products are all designed, made and manufactured by ourselves. So we produce all these products and we ship them to Amazon, and then Amazon ship those orders directly to customers when they're ordered. Now, the report gives you if you're familiar with selling on Amazon, you'll be familiar with ASINs, which is the Amazon Standard Identification Number. This is how you identify the product on Amazon, and if you put this identification number into the Amazon website, it will pull up the product page for you. But additionally, if you just scroll over to this side of the report, you can actually just click on the View on Amazon button, and it will take you over to the Amazon product page. So as you can see, this is an actual live product which is currently for sale on Amazon, and you can see here, if I just scroll down so you can see it, so my face is not in the way, it dispatches from Amazon and is sold by ourselves. And you can see this particular product has almost 5-star reviews, 22 reviews, and you can see it's available with super fast delivery because it's Prime eligible, as is all products that we ship to Amazon for fulfillment, which is one of the benefits of Amazon FBA. Now you can go through the report and you can view any of these products live on Amazon as they are right now, and what you can do with this report is essentially one of two things. First of all, the report is ordered in terms of the most popular products to the least popular products. In this report, we only provide recommendations for products which are generating the sales within the last 30 days, and we actually give you the sell-through rate in days in this report as well, which is in the sell-through in days column. And as you can see, our best-selling products are pretty much selling every single day. Now, what we offer is we offer two ways in which you can use this report to sell our products, and you can use this report to make better selections from our product catalog in terms of, we have a large catalog, so in terms of which products you should be selling or buying and sending into Amazon FBA. Now, you may already have an Amazon seller account, which is one way you can do this. The other way doesn't require an Amazon seller account, and I'll explain to you how that works as well in a moment. So first of all, I'm going to start off with, if you are an existing Amazon seller and you have your own Amazon seller account in the UK, then I'm going to show you how you can use this report now to add our products to your Amazon catalog, and then you can buy inventory from us straight away, which will manufacture for you, we'll prep it for FBA, and we'll ship it directly to Amazon for you. Now, first and foremost, what you would need to do, this is assuming that you have an Amazon seller account, okay, which we have here. This is our Amazon seller account right here, and I'm just on the add products page, which is via the catalog link in Amazon Seller Central. And what you would essentially do is you would take the child ASIN here and you would pop that into search for a product on Amazon, and it'll come up in the results, and then you can obviously you can select a condition which will be new, and you can just choose sell this product. And what that will do is that will then add that ASIN to your Amazon catalog, and then you will be able to create FBA shipments for that product via the Amazon shipments workflow, which I'm sure if you're already doing FBA, then you know how to create a shipment via the send to Amazon shipment workflow. That in itself is a different video. However, we do have a guide on that, which is on this page here, which I will link below in this video, which is our step-by-step guide for getting started with active FBA enrollment. The active part is essentially where the seller or the reseller, that being you, has their own Amazon seller account which they operate and manage by themselves. Now, essentially, before you get started doing this, you do need to create a retailer account with us so you can have an actual supply agreement with us and have authorization to resell our products on Amazon. You can do this via this link here, create a retailer account, or you can do it via the just become a reseller option in the menu of our website. This is essentially a very simple form which just asks for some very basic details, and you can select get started with FBA enrollment and just click sign up, and that's all you need to do to get started. It's completely free to do that. Once you've done that, you can follow the step-by-step guide to converting your products to FBA and creating an FBA shipment using the send to Amazon workflow. Everything you need is instructed on this page, and like I said, I will link it down below for anyone who wants to use this guide in order to create their first Amazon shipments. Now, once you've added the ASIN to your account and you've created your Amazon FBA shipment, this can be for a single product or for multiple. Generally speaking, you would probably be sending a batch of products to Amazon, so you may want to go through the opportunities report and say, well, these are the best selling products, so I tell you what, we'll add this, add this, add this, add this, and literally just add them from the top down, because these are currently the best selling products. and then you can create shipments through the shipments workflow on Amazon. And once you've created your FBA shipment, you can use our FBA wizard, which you can access either through our retailer app, which I'll show you again here. So this is our retailer app. If you scroll down to where is it? FBA wizard here. This is the buy and ship inventory to Amazon wizard. And if you click here, you can choose. It's available in two different forms. Active FBA enrollment, like I said, is where you use the send to Amazon shipment workflow and you sell through your own Amazon seller account. Passive enrollment is when you don't have an Amazon seller account, which I'll explain more about passive enrollment in a moment. So assuming that you do have an Amazon seller account and you've just added some of our products to your catalog, as I just shown you, you can choose active enrollment, and then you can essentially just tell us how many quantity of units that you're shipping to Amazon, tell us when you're shipping those to Amazon, add your attachments. So this is going to be your pick list from Amazon, which they give you in the shipment workflow. It will be your shipping labels, which you get by using Amazon partnered carrier. This is all done through the Amazon shipment workflow itself on the Amazon website, and also your box labels as well, which Amazon provide for you. And we have a checklist here to make sure that you have provided all of those. Once you've done that and you've submitted your order, we will then send you an invoice, and once you've paid that invoice, we will then proceed to manufacture and FBA prep all of those items for you, and we will ship them directly to Amazon on your behalf. It's honestly as simple as that. Anyone with an Amazon seller account who wants to add some new products to their catalog can get started doing this today. Really easy to get started, and we've got some great products with lots of great reviews. So that is the first way of utilizing our growth opportunities report in order to benefit from the data that we provide to you. The second way of doing it is if you don't have an Amazon seller account, or you are not selling on Amazon in the UK and you would like to benefit from Amazon FBA still. Well, we do have a program which allows you to do this. Now, this is called our passive FBA enrollment program, which you can find here. Again, I'm going to link these links down below so you can just reference to these pages quite quickly. But essentially, our passive FBA enrollment program has been designed specifically for people who either do not have an Amazon seller account or do not want the complexities of setting one up and managing and maintaining one, because you do need to be a registered business, and there is a lot of hoops to jump through on a continuous basis in order to continue selling on Amazon. You can avoid all of that with a passive FBA enrollment with ourselves. The other person who might be interested in this is if you are based from overseas. Passive FBA enrollment allows you to benefit from fulfillment by Amazon in the UK through our program, regardless of where you are worldwide, because you don't need to operate and manage your own Amazon seller account. We handle all of the selling on Amazon process for you. Now, essentially how it works is that you would use, for example, our weekly FBA growth opportunities report to make product selections about products that you would like to enroll into the program and you would like to sell on Amazon yourself. And then you would essentially create a shipment by purchasing those products via our website, which I will show you a little later on in this video. And we would do the same. We would then manufacture those products for you, we would prep them for FBA, and we would ship them to Amazon on your behalf. The only difference is that these products are being sold on our own Amazon account. Now, what happens here with our passive FBA enrollment program is that we offer to pay you through your investment in this program. So you purchase the stock and buy that stock that we produce and send to Amazon, and then once those products sell, or as those products sell, we pay you a fixed payout for every unit of product that sells. And the profit that you will receive in your return on investment is anywhere between 25 and 28% on average across every single product that is available in our catalogue. And you can actually see this by pulling up our FBA catalogue. Again, I will link this in the description below so you have quick access to it. But the average return currently on our FBA passive program is currently 28, well, basically 29% across all of our product ranges with our passive FBA enrollment program. Now, there's our FBA catalog price list rather gives you access to all of the products available in our catalog. You can just click view products and it just shows you all of these products on our website. But it also gives you everything else you need to do to make informed decisions about the type of products you want to enroll, such as it gives you the unit cost per product, it gives you the payout, and it gives you the profit that you will earn for every time that product makes a sale. So essentially, getting started with passive FBA enrollment is pretty simple. We've outlined it here in just 6 steps, which is essentially step 1 is book a call. I do recommend creating book a 30-minute call with myself so I can give you a full in-depth platform demo about how our passive FBA enrollment is actually set up and how you would manage your inventory, how you would enroll new inventory, how you would receive payment. Everything can be explained to you in a quick 30-minute call. So if you have some spare time, I highly recommend just booking a call with me here, and then we can just go over it quickly with you before you head off to create your first shipment. Now I just need to go back to the page I was on, which is our passive enrollment guide. Right, once you've we've had a quick discussion over a 30-minute call. That's an optional step. You don't have to do that. If I'm providing enough information in this video for you to get started today, then by all means, just head to the website, create a retailer account, much in the same way as you were doing if you had your own Amazon seller account and you were actively selling through FBA. You still need to create a retailer account with us. It's exactly the same. You head to the enrollment page here and choose FBA enrollment as the option, sign up, and then you can get started creating your first shipment. Now, to create your first shipment, we recommend making selections using the growth opportunities report because these are the top recommendations. It is updated weekly. Once you register with an account as a reseller with us, you will then get notifications every single week, every time we send out this report. So you can keep checking every week, and you can keep sort of enrolling new products just to sort of build your inventory up, and it just increases your sales over time. Now, you can use this report in 2 ways. If you're actively selling, then you can enroll anything. Any of the recommendations on here, you can add any of these products to your catalog, and you can use the buy inventory button to access the FBA wizard, and then you can upload your Amazon shipment data in that way. If you're selling passively, it does work a little bit different. You can't enroll just any of these products, and the reason why you can't enroll these products is because passive FBA actually gives individuals exclusivity over the SKUs that they're enrolling. So that means that if, for example, you were to enroll this SKU here, if we just pull up the Amazon product page, so the current enrollee, the current reseller who is reselling with us currently via passive FBA enrollment, who has already enrolled this product, no other passive FBA enrollee can enroll this product. So nobody else can buy inventory for this product, with the exception of active FBA sellers. Now, remember, active FBA sellers are those who sell via their own Amazon account. Passive FBA sellers are those who sell via our Amazon account. Now, so what happens when somebody who has their own Amazon seller account buys, for example, they want to enroll inventory for this product? Obviously, if you're familiar how Amazon work, all sellers sell on the same product page, and this is true. But what happens is, if you secure this product through our passive FBA enrollment program, if an external retailer comes along with their own Amazon seller account, and they want to buy inventory for this product because they see it on the growth opportunity report this week, and they see, oh, okay, this is selling on average every 3.3 days. I want to add this to my catalog. They can go ahead and add that product to the catalog, and then they can set their own price, and they can create a shipment for this product. Okay, but what happens to you as a passive FBA enrollee is that the quantity that they buy, you get paid per unit of product sold. So, for example, this is a permit disc holder, and if we head over to our catalog and we find the permit disc holders here, you can see they're selling for £7, which is the price that you see here. Now, our passive, both passive and FBA enrollees, they both pay the same unit cost. So there's no difference there. There's no advantage or disadvantage. But you can see that the payout via our passive FBA enrollment program is £4.34 per unit. So you're paying £3.39 and you're getting paid £4.34 for each unit that sells. So you're making a profit of 95 pence per unit sold. If an active FBA enrollment seller comes along and they decide, okay, I want to add this product to my catalog and I want to create a shipment for 20 units of this product. What happens is that they create a shipment for 20 units of this product. We invoice them, we manufacture that shipment and send it to Amazon themselves. They then become a competing offer on this listing. However, you as a passive FBA enrollment seller then get paid for those 20 units that they have just purchased. Okay? And you get paid at this price here. You get paid at $4.34 per unit, and you get paid all of that up front. So you secure your profit straight away, because they then become a competing offer. They buy inventory, and you then get paid every time they then top up their inventory for that product. So this is how our passive FBA enrollment program can really benefit you through the SKU exclusivity feature of this program. Now, another part of this program is that basically what I was going to say, I think I got a bit mixed up in what I was trying to say then. Essentially, what I'm trying to say is that you can also enroll in this program even if you have your own Amazon seller account. You can enroll in the program passively as well. So you can, for example, if you had your own Amazon seller account, you can create shipments for products which are already. You can create shipments for products which are already enrolled by others passively, because every time you create a shipment, they get paid for those sales. Okay, because you're essentially going to become a competing offer for them, so they get paid up front. Now, if you're enrolled passively, the reason why you can't enroll these products here is because they're already enrolled by other people, so you could only enroll these actively. So you would have to choose, if you're just coming into the program now and you're looking to get involved with our passive FBA enrollment program, then you would have to enroll products which are not yet enrolled by anyone, which do not have exclusivity. I hope I'm explaining this okay, because it's sound like I am rambling a little bit. But essentially, in the FBA Go report, which I'm showing you now, that report shows you all of the top recommendations, including both products which are already enrolled into FBA and products which are not yet enrolled in FBA. And the products which are not yet enrolled in FBA, which means they're not exclusive to any seller, they have an enroll now button which you can click on here, and that will take you over to the product page where you can see it's FBA eligible, which means nobody is currently has exclusivity to this product. It's not enrolled in FBA yet, so you can now become the exclusive seller for this product. Now, if you are selling it, if you want to sell this product both actively and passively, you can at the same time. There's really no point to doing that because we won't pay you for your own products. So if you buy inventory and then become a competing offer, but you are already the passive enrollee exclusive on that product, then we won't repay you for those sales if you then buy inventory. It doesn't work like that. But if you are not the exclusive seller and you want to buy inventory, then the exclusive person who does own the SKU will receive payouts to the equivalent of the shipment that you create. It sounds complex, but bear with me as I try to explain it. And yeah, definitely do book a call with me so we can go over it in more detail, in case I'm not fully getting the message across properly in this video, but I am, trying to do my best. Right, so what can you do if, for example, you wanted to enroll this particular product here, but you can see it's already taken, somebody already has this product exclusive to them? Well, what you can do is you can use the enroll variants option instead. And what that does is many of our products are available in multiple different colors and sizes. And we have in total somewhere in the region of about 50,000 options available for enrollment into FBA. And we only have, I think we have about 300 products enrolled in FBA at the moment. So it's literally less than 1% currently. So there are lots and lots of opportunities here. But as you can see, this product is currently FBA active, which means it's enrolled by somebody else. You can only buy inventory with this product if you're an active seller. So what you would need to do is you would need to choose a different variant instead. So for example, you could choose any different color. You can see lots of these colors are available. Well, black is actually taken, funny enough. But for example, if you want a blue chrome, or blue chrome's taken, you can go through racing green. There you go. So racing green variant is not taken. And the reason why you would want to enroll variants of this product is because more often than not, Amazon will promote similar, well, they do on their product pages, promote similar items next to the item that you're currently viewing. And because all of these products are listed on Amazon, when a customer views the prime option, say for example the customer is currently viewing the product page on Amazon for the purple variant, it is very likely that if there are other variants enrolled in FBA as well, Amazon will suggest that product as a personalized recommendation to that customer as an alternative option. So what you can do is by enrolling variants, you can actually piggyback you can piggyback off the increased traffic that FBA enrollment brings for products which are already enrolled in FBA. So if a particular variant is already enrolled in FBA and it's SKU exclusive, somebody has already got there before you, you can just go and enroll a separate variant, one of the other color or size options, and that means then you can benefit from the traffic that is already being generated to that listing. And when Amazon puts its personalized recommendations in and it shows these additional options to customers, then that additional option could very well likely be your product that you have now chosen to enroll. So that's why enrolling variants is a beneficial option to you. Now, one of the last thing that the growth opportunities report actually allows you to do. Now, this only applies to those who have an existing enrollment in the product, is that you can use our improved listing quality tool. Now, I'm going to just pull up this tool and just explain briefly what it is and what it does. So if you're an active FBA seller of this particular ASIN, which, say for example this one here, which I've just clicked on, you can use the improved listing quality tool to make improvements to the product detail page on Amazon, which is the product page on Amazon. Now, we will accept improvement suggestions from anyone that either has purchased inventory, such as for active FBA enrollment, or anyone who has SKU exclusivity through our passive FBA enrollment program. You can't make adjustments to these product pages if you haven't purchased inventory for the product. It's just not possible. So, as you can see, there's a box here which says, what is your authority to suggest changes to this ASIN? So I have existing inventory through a passive FBA enrollment, or I have existing inventory through active FBA enrollment. Now, this form allows you to take the existing product data, which is all of this, product descriptions, all of this product data here, allows you, this is all the key product data, the most important product data on Amazon product pages, and the product images as well. And it allows you to submit new data essentially. So you can submit a new product title, or you can take the existing product title, like so. You can pop that in there, and you can say, I'll tell you what. Basically, I want to change it up. Instead of calling it instead of calling it that, you can rewrite it, or you can use ChatGPT to rewrite it for you. You can see the requirements, for making changes on Amazon. And what happens is you can submit new bullet points, you can submit new product description, you can submit new keywords and additional phrases, which are background terms, search terms that people might use to find the product, and you can submit for publishing, and then this goes into a review stage. And what we do is we review the data which is submitted by everyone who is effectively enrolled in the product, either actively or passively, and we will take improvements that are made to the product listing, and we will then add those improvements subject to review based on basically the best improvements that we see. So obviously, if you submit a product description and we think the product description does not provide an improvement to the existing product description, then we will reject the improvements as not being a beneficial improvement to the product page. However, if you make improvements by adding new product images, perhaps you've created new product image variants for our products, which you can do. You can just download our product images, and you can use Photoshop, or you can use placeit.net to create new product images, and you can submit those product images to the listing. And then essentially, if those product images don't already exist on the listing, then almost certainly those improvements would be approved, and we would add those new product images to the listing. And what this does is that this then serves as a way that we can use our community of resellers who have a vested interest in these products to improve the product detail pages of our FBA enrolled products, which will only improve conversion and sales for everyone, just long term. So if you are enrolled in any of our products, either passively or actively, do look at the product pages on Amazon. Think of ways that the data can be improved, and do use the Improve Listings Quality tool to submit your own recommendations for improving the listing quality. That pretty much sums up everything that I have to share with you today in terms of our FBA Growth Opportunities report. Like I said, this is a weekly report that we put out every single week. You can get access to this report just by in the two ways that I mentioned, which is joining our free reseller community, which you can do via the website, or by just downloading our retailer app, which I've linked below, and you can access the report at any time. You don't even need to create a retailer account with us to use that retailer app and explore it and see all the various things that we do. So to wrap this video up, if you are interested in Fulfilled by Amazon, and the ways that we can potentially help you, increase your existing Amazon sales with FBA if you have your own Amazon seller account, or if you are looking to ways to make a passive income, which is what our passive FBA enrollment program is for, then you can also make a passive income with our passive FBA. I'm saying passive 100 times here. Essentially, you can make an income with our program without the need of even requiring your own Amazon seller account. All you need to do is just make product selections using our weekly report that we put out, and just create shipments, and you will benefit from a guaranteed fixed payout every single week. I have already done a video on our FBA enrollment programs. That video is on my channel. You can go and link that. If I remember, I will also link that in this video, and hopefully this video has managed to provide you with various ways in which you can use our FBA Go report in order to add new products to your Amazon catalog and benefit from some of our best-selling products. Anyway, if you are interested and you do want to work with us, please do go to the website and book a call with me so we can have a more in-depth discussion about what it is you're trying to achieve and the various ways I think that we might be able to help you. And besides that, just feel free to join the our seller community. Like I said, it's completely free. You'll have access to me via Slack at any time, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions or queries you have. Anyway, guys, I think I'll pretty much wrap up the video there. Any queries, any comments, please leave it down below. And if this video has been helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up because it helps it reach more people. And if you are interested in dropshipping or FBA enrollment, selling on Amazon, then I've been doing this for a very long time, and I am continuing to make videos. I'm hoping to try and make at least 5 videos a week, all of it relating to either dropshipping or Amazon FBA and the various ways in which we can help you guys sort of achieve your goals with dropshipping or FBA. Right, I'll leave it there. I'll wrap it up for now, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, see you guys. Take it easy.